Door Replacement Loves Park is a crucial service for both residential and commercial properties. Whether you need entry doors, patio doors, or sliding doors, our expert team ensures precise door fitting and installation. We specialize in French Door Replacement Loves Park, providing elegant and functional solutions for your home or business. For those seeking Door Replacement Loves Park, our services cover everything from door hinges to door locks. We offer comprehensive sliding door replacement Loves Park, ensuring smooth operation and enhanced security. Our door hinge replacement Loves Park services are designed to extend the life of your doors, preventing unnecessary replacements. Entry door installation Loves Park is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance curb appeal and security. Our door security solutions Loves Park include advanced door locks and door hardware to protect your property. We also offer doorknob installation Loves Park and door handle replacement Loves Park for a complete upgrade. Patio door services Loves Park are essential for maintaining the beauty and functionality of your outdoor spaces. Our team provides door weather stripping and door seal installation Loves Park to keep your home energy efficient and comfortable. Door threshold replacement Loves Park is another service we offer to prevent drafts and water intrusion. Custom door services Loves Park allow you to personalize your doors to match your style and needs. We offer a wide range of door style options. Loves Park, from traditional to modern designs. Our door material selection Loves Park includes wood, steel, and fiberglass, ensuring durability and aesthetic appeal. Door maintenance Loves Park is vital for prolonging the life of your doors. Regular door upgrades and door customization can enhance both functionality and appearance. Our door upgrade services Loves Park include new door finishes and door hardware. Loves Park to keep your doors looking fresh and stylish. Door frame replacement Loves Park is necessary when frames are damaged or outdated. Our team provides expert door measurement services Loves Park to ensure a perfect fit. We also offer door fitting Loves Park for seamless installation and operation. Residential door services Loves Park cater to homeowners looking for reliable and efficient solutions. Our commercial door replacement Loves Park services are designed to meet the needs of businesses, providing durable and secure entryways. Door finish services Loves Park add the final touch to your doors, enhancing their appearance and longevity. Door customization in Loves Park IL allows you to create unique entryways that reflect your personal taste. Our door measurement services Loves Park ensure that every door fits perfectly, providing optimal performance and aesthetics. With our door fitting Loves Park, you can trust that your doors will be installed with precision and care.